get to the point where you're ready to tune, give me a holler and I'll ease over there real quick. I'll tell you, that thing sounds good, loud. You'll get your name called with that audio.
Yeah, yeah, I've been doing a little something, man. I was listening to a little bit earlier, man. A few hundred watts, man.
I hear you. You're on your way. It takes time. It took me 7 months to get my shit up there in the air.
Yeah, Roger. Well, I tell you what, man, I was up and down, trying to get it all 10-inch straight, man. I still got a little bit more work I can do on the antenna. I can get a couple of those numbers a little bit lower, but I figure, heck with it, I've been, messing around with it. I'm going to just leave it alone, talk on it for a little while, and probably take it back down the weekend coming up, if not sooner, but I'll probably wait till the weekend, because, how it is, you got to work, and work on it a little bit more. Try to see if I can get some of those numbers down just a little bit. They're not bad at all. SWRs is flat, SWRs is good, man, and the X-Fact, I got 1 or 2 on the X-Fact, and I want to see if I can get that a little bit lower. And my home load is right at about 48. I want to see if I can get that up a little bit higher. Try to get it all, just try to get it all tuned in right there, Roger.
Yeah, well, it all comes down to reflect power. Don't do you no good to have a 1.1 SWR and you got 50 watts coming back. That don't mean crap. Tune that thing the best you can with your MFJs and hook your thorax to it, hit the freaking foot pedal.
Chicken man, hey chicken man, one of your chickens got loose, absolutely did. Chicken man trying to wave from the corner, absolutely giving it a try. Chicken man 122 122 main waving. Yourself a good one, chicken man, sounding good up here in the corner, absolutely are. 122, state of Maine, letting you know. That old barefooted 19 plus Cobra is rolling into Maine, a 122, letting you know. Some music. We got a music carrier out there kind of messed with you that go around, but absolutely dipping and diving a little bit, but that old Cobra's getting the job done.
out.
You got it right, but I'll just be here to Wednesday or Thursday, so I can't do a whole lot. But you can eat by sometime. You can look.
Well, 555, hey, 555, definitely waving the hand at you, definitely breaking on through it. Well, Mother Nature hasn't quite decided what she wants to do, but they, 555, you're breaking on through 122 Main, letting you know.
I didn't hear a thing you said. Not one word. I think that's 122 St. Main up there getting your Kool-Aid.
Somebody getting my Kool-Aid in break.
Yeah, I believe it was 122 up there. I'm not sure. 'Cause I'm pointed up at him.
Yeah, I'm pointed up too. So you coming in the backside of my antenna. You coming all up in the backside of my antenna, but I'm pointed up to the next end too there, Roger.
You know what? Yeah, Roger. 122, is that you in there, Frank?
It is, good afternoon, gentlemen.
Well, number 2, Don Struck, me and 500 sitting here talking local, boy. You come in here and clean the spot.
Well, number 2, I've been copying your mail a little bit here as I can. It's been dipping and diving on me, but absolutely I've been copying your mail up here in the corner. You guys have been sounding real good.
All right, we're going to ease up off of 28 then. 122, take care of me, brother. We'll put it on later. 500, go to 30.
Yeah, 4 right. Hey, you the town 122. Hey, 122, you're 500 in the Carolinas waving these 200 watts too, buddy.
No, right back at you, 500, right back at you. Hey, and that ON tenor is working well for you. I'm not sure where you got it tuned. I was copying your mail earlier, but hey, if that's the one you've been talking about, hey, it's sounding good up here, working well. Hey, 500, I don't want to tie it up, but hey, just wanted to bump it down, wave the hand.
Yeah, 4 right, 122. Yeah, that's the one I was talking about, man. I just got it all set up and got it situated. Hey, and trying to get some talk time with it, no doubt about it. Hey, 122, you sounding real good around South Carolina. Yo, 500 working these 200 watts. Hey, 122, just 200 watts I got down right there.
Oh, the gate is rolling, and the gate has been rolling, 500, absolutely. So hey, you can always hear what you're sounding like up here in the corner. Hey, you take care. Definitely good sounding radio, and that ON tenor is kicking that signal out with that 200 watts, 122, letting you know.
Yeah, I sure heard it.
122, Yardbird trying to roll and stroll on through your neighborhood right about now. Brakes.
Only 200 watts on my Cobra 2 Grand I got down right there.
And Yardbird, you absolutely did. Hey, you rolled on through, Yardbird, waving over there to 10.
Hey, right back, man. Sounding good as you normally do down here. Good contact again today. 122 sounding real good. Take care. Appreciate the contact. Yardbird waving and stepping.
Right back at you, Yardbird, right back at you. Always good hearing you rolling into the corner. Absolutely.
Yeah, 410. Always good to hear you in there, man. Always good to sit back and listen to your talk show, 122. See you later, Yardbird. Go.
We're just trying to stir it up a little bit so we can grab some gates. Absolutely. That's what we usually try to do, Yardbird. So we're just in here stirring it up a little bit, then we kick back and roll the old gates.
Yeah, click. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you.
Right back at you, Yardbird. Have a good one.